Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Samsung Pay for bank authentication. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Samsung device and locate the Samsung Pay app. Tap on the Samsung Pay icon to launch the app. If prompted, log in with your Samsung account credentials. On the main screen, look for the Payment Methods section. Tap on Add Payment Method to begin the authentication process. Select bank account from the list of available payment options. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your bank details. Ensure that you input your account number and routing number accurately. After entering your details, tap on Next to proceed. You will now need to authenticate your identity for security. Select your preferred method of verification, such as email or phone number. If you choose to receive a code via SMS or email, follow the prompts to receive the verification code. Enter the received verification code in the designated field. Once completed, tap Verify to authenticate your bank account successfully. After verification, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been linked. You can now use Samsung Pay for transactions directly from your bank account. Explore additional features of Samsung Pay to enhance your payment experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.